Having trouble drawing faces with different emotions? This video is for you. Come with me. Mobin here, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw different facial emotions. Let's go. To draw different emotions, we need a basic face like this. Let's start with a sad feeling. Pay attention. As you can see in the picture, for a sad emotion. 1. The eyelids cover half of the eyes. 2. The pupils are looking down. 3. The lips should be curved downwards. 4. The eyebrows should start from a high point and curve downwards, like this. Like this. Now let's move on to a serious or determined emotion. To draw a serious or determined expression. 1. The eyelids should cover a small part of the eye. 2. The pupils should be fully visible in the middle of the eye. 3. The eyebrows should be tilted upwards, similar to an angry expression. 4. The lips should be flat or show a slight smirk, like this. Just like that, now we go for the smile emotion. Take note. When we want to draw a smile emotion. 1. The eyelid should cover 1/3 of the eye and the pupil should be touching the upper eyelid. 2. The eyebrows should be curved downwards like a line. 3. The lip line should be curved upwards, like this. Just like this. Now let's move on to the thinking emotion. To draw the thinking emotion. 1. The eyelids should cover half of the eyes, and the pupil should be 1/3 of the way under the upper eyelid. 2. One eyebrow should be straight, and the other eyebrow should be raised as if angry. 3. The lips should look neutral or slightly redrawn, like this. Just like this. Now let's move on to a happy emotion. Take note. 1. In this emotion, the eyelids should be closed. 2. The mouth should be open, with the teeth together. 3. The eyebrows should have a curved shape, like this. Just like this. Now let's move on to the shocked emotion. Note. 1. The pupil of the eye is very small and located in the middle of the eye. 2. The eyebrows should be straight and at a distance from the eyes. 3. The mouth should be straight but slightly open, like this. Just like this. Now let's move on to the angry emotion. Note. 1. The nose is slightly higher with wrinkles around it. 2. The pupils are smaller than usual. 3. The eyebrows go from the bottom to the top. 4. The mouth is open and the teeth are pressed together, like this. Just like this. Now let's move on to a psychotic or sadistic emotion. Note. 1. Eyes are wide open and pupils are in the middle of the eyes. 2. The mouth can be open like in a laughing state. 3. Eyebrows should be something between a frown and neutral. Exactly like this. And as always, here's a little cheat sheet for you. Take screenshot. If you want to learn how to draw faces from different angles, don't miss this video. My name is Mobin, and I'll see you next time.